This place is so dry. Some areas haven't seen rain in over 400 years. Welcome to the Atacama Desert in Chile, the driest place on Earth. It's a land of salt flats, volcanoes, and alien-like landscapes so extreme that NASA tests Mars equipment here. Despite the harsh conditions, life still survives. Tiny plants, flamingos, and ancient civilizations once called this place home. At night, the Atacama transforms into one of the best stargazing spots on the planet, with skies so clear they feel unreal. This isn't just a desert, it's Earth at its most extreme.